Thank you for purchasing your Forester bar rail dresser. A very simple design tool that'll true up your bar rails and let your chain cut a little bit straighter. It's going to come like this. There's a simple knob that your file will go in and out of. Simply tighten that up. You'll want to secure your bar in a vise or in a stump vise or something. Take your chain off, of course. You're going to see that. Simply lay that file on top of your bar using a forward motion. That'll true up the top of your guide bar rails. Then, what's also nice, then you can flip it over and run it this way and take your burrs off the side. A very simple tool, but this should be done every once in a while, occasionally, and this will let your saw chain cut straighter. Thanks for purchasing this again. Have an awesome day.